is major ideas of enlightenment, Kant and Rousseau. Now, this is very interesting. UPSC has picked up Kant and Rousseau. It had all the choice in the world to pick up any thinker it wanted. Why not Newton? Why not Locke? Why not Montesquieu? Why not Voltaire? Why not Diderot? Diderot is my favorite one. Why not Beccaria? Anybody is as important as Rousseau. Rousseau and Kant थोड़े से odd इसलिए है, they are oddball because look at what they are doing. Rousseau is actually not only carrying forward enlightenment, he is criticizing enlightenment. He is applying the thought of enlightenment to enlightenment. He is not the unabashed advocate of reason. He is actually trying to show limitations of reason. एक सेंटेंस है डेविड ह्यूम का. डेविड ह्यूम ने कहा है that reason is okay, but in itself it doesn't do work without passion. What does he mean? He means that reason से आपको facts पता चलते हैं. You get evidence, you get analysis, you come to conclusion about the reality. That's okay. But that does not make you decide what to act upon, what to do about that conclusion. उसका करे क्या? ये अच्छा है, बुरा है, action चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. That comes from passion. So reason in itself without passion is useless. That is what David Hume already said. तो वो तो टसल उसमें, but Rousseau is unabashed to the next level where he criticizes civilization, criticizes reason, criticizes individualism. He is the critical person and he is the father of the counter enlightenment movement, that is romanticism. So the thinker UPSC has chosen is actually a very interesting one, जो कि limits दिखाता है enlightenment के. The second thinker is Kant. Kant भी एक अलग किस्म का इंसान है. कांट में आप देखोगे तो कांट के जो हमारे सिलेबस के the two important aspects, one aspect is about how he reconciled the old struggle that went on for a couple of centuries between rationalists and empiricists. We'll discuss a question on that also. But these two thoughts were coming, both of them were scientific, both of them were about modernity, both of them were scientific thinking and method, but they were not able to get reconciled. कांट ने क्या किया दोनों का, मतलब he discovered or rather suggested a point of intersection of both of them, and that's what makes him stand at the center of enlightenment. His reconciliation of reason and empiricism. That is one. And the second thing about Kant is that he also shows that reason cannot displace faith. आप भले जितना अटैक कर लो रिलीजन पे, आप भले जितना अटैक कर लो चर्च पे, all these things are fine, yet by pure reason you cannot arrive at atheism. So reason has its own limitation. वो बात करता है प्रायोरी रीजन की, नोमेनॉन फिनोमेनॉन की. आप कॉफी पियेंगे? आप भी पी गया, ठीक है. So my point is this, that Kant is showing limitations of reason in one way and Rousseau is going against reason in another way. The two thinkers UPSC has chosen are actually the thinkers who show limitations of enlightenment, also stand at the center of enlightenment.